1, 2, 3. Good. Thank you. That's chamfer up and put up and down and put in the off. And you put them like this, up, like this, and down. And the bottom full stop. The control remote here. That's the number 3. 1, 2, and 3. And the move 2. See? Perfect. Thank you.
The fans blow out all air. I love it. So good. Might get another one for my bedroom. Air conditioning circulate. Just love this fan. I took the middle toe right up, but it comes with a remote. It's the remote. Got the remote that come with battery.
Had this fan for a couple of months, and now, out of nowhere, whenever I turn it on, you see that? One press. It comes on for a burst, and then shuts off. So, had it for a few months, been plugged into the same socket for the entire time. Socket's fine. I checked a different socket. It works the same way. So, yeah. Looking to do exchange or a refund now.
I absolutely love this fan, and I also love that it is remote control. However, you have to purchase your battery, and this speeds, pardon me, look, this is low, medium, high, and let me tell you, I do not mind the noise. It helps me to sleep at night. It's just simply amazing. And the durability, because I've had this for a while, I just forgot to leave my review. I love it. Lasko #1.
Truist Bank is thrilled to work with the PGA Tour to present the Truist Championship. That's on my phone.
It's not work at all. I need a new placement. When I got it, it stopped working on us.
This is high. Not very high.